Fox 31 News at 5 o'clock starts right now.
Good afternoon, and thanks for joining us. I'm Deborah Takahara.
And I'm Leland Vittert. Ron has tonight off. The judge in the Aaron Thompson trial says a mistake by the prosecution has created a, quote, firestorm. The judge now says the defense can reopen its case. That decision came today after prosecutors admitted yesterday they failed to give new evidence to Thompson's lawyers. He's accused in the disappearance of his daughter, Erin A. Fox 31's Julie Hayden was in the courtroom and joins us with more on tonight's top story. Julie?
Well, Leland, it's like Law 101 that prosecutors have to give this information over to the defense immediately. And in court today, an obviously upset judge asked an equally upset prosecutor what happened. The judge was irate, the prosecutor contrite.
It's probably the best way he could possibly handle it. There is no excuse for what he did, and he was probably smart not to come up with an excuse, simply to fall on his sword and say, no excuse, Judge, I should have done this, and I forgot to.
The judge said prosecutors clearly broke the rules when they failed to tell the defense about new evidence in the Aaron Thompson trial. He's accused of child abuse resulting in death and the disappearance of his 6-year-old daughter, Erin A., and of dozens of counts of child abuse involving other children in the home. 10 days ago, the prosecution found a car that belonged to Thompson. Now, they should have told the defense immediately, but did not. Instead, they had the car tested and then failed to turn over 100 pages of evidence until after the defense rested its case.
One of the basic tenets is that the prosecution has to give all evidence to the defense as quickly as they can. And clearly he didn't do that.
When the judge asked why, lead prosecutor Bob Chappell said it didn't occur to him. He said, quote, that makes me a lousy lawyer, but it does not make me dishonest. He apologized to the court and to the defense and pointed out he does not consider the new evidence significant. Maybe not, but the judge told him the point is he broke the rules.
My guess is that you're going to see a motion for sanctions and a motion for a mistrial from the defense on Monday.
Now, he could be right about that. Thompson's lawyers in court today said that they're not going to ask for sanctions or a mistrial yet. Emphasis on the word yet. They indicated that could come on Monday. As for their chances, well, the legal experts say it kind of depends on how important the judge considers the rule breaking and the evidence to be. We'll probably find out on Monday. Leland?
Well said. Emphasis on the word yet. We'll count on you to follow it. Thanks, Julie.
Thanks.